Hello, welcome to the series on VBOUT. In this introductory video, I'll provide an overview of VBOUT, what this tool is, its features, pricing, and who it is for. So let's get started. I'm on VBOUT.com, and VBOUT is an all-in-one CRM, marketing and sales automation solution designed to empower businesses of all size in their quest for digital endeavor. You can manage everything in one place, from email broadcast to nurturing, social media suite, landing pages, meeting scheduling, lead scoring, and even campaign reporting and analytics. VBOUT combines everything that your marketing and sales team needs in one place. As you can see on their website, they have provided an overview video, and they have defined clearly who VBOUT is for and what features they provide. You can also watch a demo over here, check the pricing, or schedule a one-on-one call with them. Down here you will see all the awards that they have won this year, which is quite impressive, and you will find all the features here, from automation, leads management, email marketing, landing pages, social media, like I said, pipeline manager, and add-ons. So if I take the example of email marketing, you will find everything that is provided by VBOUT, and the email marketing journey is defined. So you can create email campaigns in minutes. They provide hundreds of templates, ready-made templates that you can use the drag and drop editor of VBOUT. It's just so easy to use. You can add your own GIFs, you can add your own brand colors, you can add your own logo, countdown, timer, CTA buttons, add to calendar events, and a lot more. You can basically automate your entire journey in the VBOUT's email editor or automation setup. And we have been using VBOUT for the last 2 years, and it's very easy to use and set up. The help support is always here. You can see the icon here. So they are always there 24/7 basically to help you out with anything that you need. You can send better email campaigns, you can preview and personalize campaigns, you can run A/B tests, and you can optimize your email performance by using the predictive sending over here. This predictive sending is will allow VBOUT to use AI to send the emails at the right time. You can also use the AI content generation feature in VBOUT, where the content is generated in a matter of seconds on providing the correct prompts. So optimizing your sending time, this is what I was referring to, predictive sending over here. You can let the AI do its job. And here you will find on their website a lot of content about what is email marketing, what is automation, etc., which is great to use or great to read. Right, so scale your email marketing campaigns with VBOUT, and it provides a comprehensive list of all the email marketing features. You can also use your own custom SMTP. You can use your domain sender verification, coupon codes, built-in editor, analytics, shareable URL, A/B testing, and it's really endless, and it has its own power. So VBOUT is something like Salesforce or HubSpot, but at a budget. All right, going back to the main page, you also have social media here, which is again you don't have to use an external social media management tool. So it allows you to schedule and manage all of your major platforms that are available within VBOUT itself. So you can post, you can schedule, you can keep your audience engaged, you can do community management over here, which is great. Alright, you can see the analytics and insights after connecting all of your accounts. There's also the AI content generation tool inside the social media management solution. Alright, so basically you can schedule the post, you can compose. There's also a native integration with Canva that allows you to edit all of your posts, or even import designs from within Canva. Right, there's auto suggest mentioned, there's Instagram search, YouTube search, there's also link shortening. There's also mass posting, and it's just so powerful, right? You will find some FAQs over here. Now again, going back, landing pages, same, they have hundreds of templates of landing pages that you can use, set up your subdomain, and then send all the traffic there with a lead generation form. And then you also have something called add-ons. Now some of these add-ons, they come with a certain price, but they are sometimes it's so much required. So you have the meeting calendar, you can schedule meetings, you can set up meetings over here. There's the inbox connector, there's the Salesforce integration, HubSpot integration is also there, which is good, right? So, and there's Insightly integration with Zoho, FTP, Content Bank, predictive email sending again, right? There's so much more. Scrolling down, you will see connect to thousands of apps. So they have the native integration with what we just mentioned. Facebook custom audiences can also be created within VBOUT. There's also a WordPress plugin inside the WordPress repository. You can install the VBOUT plugin. There's also their API, which is very powerful. If none of these work, then you always have the open API that you can use. And you also have WooCommerce and Magento, which is very good if you are an e-commerce website, right? So you can watch a full demo. You can set up a meeting over here, and then you can build campaigns, capture and score leads. So lead scoring is again another powerful feature which is available in advanced CRM solutions like HubSpot, like Salesforce, ActiveCampaign. So what happens with this is that the AI will automatically keep on increasing the score of your contact or your customer or subscriber depending on if he is visiting your site or opening your emails. So it provides you with a lead scoring mechanism, right? You can also automate your follow through, track and share reports, and more. Now in the footer you will find a lot of industries that they have listed who it is for, and you will also find all the solutions over here that we discussed. Another thing very nice is the compare over here. They have compared very beautifully with all the major CRMs and email marketing solutions. So if I click on VBOUT with versus others, you'll find this page wherein you can select your own competitor. So they have tracked these features over here. They put in these features: AI email marketing, wherein you get all the features that the email marketing provides; AI automation, what's provided in this; social media, what's provided in this. All right, and they have also listed all the channels, social media channels over here, like TikTok, Pinterest, etc. And then you can select your competitor over here. Let's see, I'll take the example of HubSpot, and then it compares what are the main features of VBOUT versus HubSpot and the price. So onboarding is $0, starts from $0. So once you take the plan, onboarding is automatically available. But with HubSpot, it's about $3,000 to $6,000, which is mandatory. And this is on the intermediate plan, which starts at $200 per month. So the pricing of VBOUT is dependent on the number of emails that you'll send out. If you sign up for any account, you get unlimited contacts. So let's say you have 50,000 contacts, you can upload those 50,000 contacts, but you will have to pay for the number of emails sent per month. So if I expand this, then it's $600 versus $4,450 for exactly these features which are compared, right? I'm going to go ahead and select another. Let me see if there is ActiveCampaign or Go High Level. Yeah, Go High Level is here. So you'll see here $600 versus $497. And for example, Keep.com. So you don't get the AI social media suite in Keep.com. You don't get the agency features. So this way you can get a clear picture on what features VBOUT is providing versus its competitors or any other tool that you're looking for in CRM and marketing automation world. All right. You will also find some, you can also request your demo. They have a beautiful blog page though. You can read a lot of blogs over here. They also provide some free tools that you can use. So these tools are Persona Creator, which is again provided by HubSpot, but this is again very good. Spam compliance, email examples from popular brands, spam word checker, marketing automation comparison, email subject checker. So you can access the tool over here, and you can search by keywords or search by tag, everything about the email subject line. All right, so they have something called VCast, which is like podcast. They have customer reviews. They have VBOUT Academy. Now this is a paid course in VBOUT that you can take. So lead generation and marketing automation masterclass. So you have 18 lessons over here, 12 instructors and lifetime access. And it defines who should be taking this. I believe it is a paid package. Here it is $295 one-time cost, and you get free VBOUT license over here, unlimited contacts. All right, so let's go to the pricing page over here and see what VBOUT provides really. So they have three different pricing over here. One is the business plan, one is the agency, and the franchise. So the agency, they don't provide the pricing. You'll have to become a partner, but you get multi-account management, white label options, partnership support. Now this is very good for large agencies which want to onboard their customers or their clients. And then there's also the franchise level plan, which provides license centralization, brand asset control, social media moderation. Coming to the business plan, like I was mentioning, lead management, VBOUT, removal of VBOUT branding and email marketing is the core. That is by default turned on. And then you get social media, landing pages, automation, analytics at $100 per month. Now, the number of contacts are unlimited, like I mentioned before, so unlimited contacts. But this is 5,000 emails per month. So you can send one-off emails, or you can schedule email automation and send out 5,000 emails per month, which costs you $100 per month. If you're looking for yearly, then it costs you $90 per month. So $1,080 billed manually. If you want to increase the number of emails that you want to send, then automatically the price keeps on increasing. So for 500,000 emails, it's going to cost you 1,250 emails per month. All right. Remember, this is not a cold email marketing solution. This is a CRM and marketing automation solution. Again, if I come back to 5,000, and if I want to remove certain things, for example, if you're, let's say, using Hootsuite or Buffer or Metricool or Vista Social or any of those social media management tools, and you don't want to use VBOUT, then you can turn this off and the price comes down by $10 per month. If you again want to remove landing pages, then it comes to $80 per month. So every $10 is removed whenever you remove any feature, right? So $100 or $90 per month is not so high, but it really depends on how many emails you have. So 50,000 emails is going to cost you $400 per month. All right. And you get unlimited contacts, which is good. You can send one-on-one emails from the inbox. Actually, that will not be charged. Only the email contacts using the email editor is charged. All right. You have and then main features: e-commerce, analytics, social media management, etc. And they have some FAQs over here that you can read through. Now, can I try VBOUT? You can try VBOUT with a 14-day risk-free trial with no contract, no need of adding your credit card, right? But they do not offer a free plan, right? This is one of the drawbacks of VBOUT. They do not offer a free plan, but they offer you a 14-day trial period with no contract, no need of adding your credit or debit card. So try it for 2 weeks, see if it works, and then you can go for one of those plans, right? And then going up, when it comes to resources, like I was mentioning, they have a lot of resources available. When it comes to partners, you can become one of these agency partner or network partner, multi-location, integration partner, or if you can join their affiliate program as well. Right? They have a very active product roadmap, and they are very, very active when it comes to taking inquiries from their customers. Like I mentioned before, we have been using VBOUT for some time now, and we have also suggested a lot of product updates which have been implemented. And if you see on the product roadmap page, you will find add an idea that you can add on your own, and it will go for votes. So this is under consideration, and this is a great feature to have, adding WhatsApp in automation. So whenever some subscriber is added from your website, and if you have WhatsApp integration done, then you can send out a WhatsApp message to that particular contact or subscriber, right? Richard Falla is the founder and CEO of VBOUT, and he's very active on social media. He answers a lot of questions by himself. There's also this chat component, which is under consideration, new landing page builder in development, and this is great. I mean, this is already under development. Google My Business integration is something which is planned. GMB integration, posting to groups is planned. Stripe subscription in development, So you can see all of these features which are under, or ideas which are under consideration or under development or planned, makes a lot of sense for digital marketers or for agencies. Right? So multi-step forms, email data validation has been done, it's been shipped. New landing page development, it's under development. So you'll find a lot of things under development, and that's how serious VBOUT is when it comes to adding updates or taking their customers into consideration. Right? So the product roadmap is something which you need to keep an eye on, and if you're a VBOUT customer, then you can always create these wonderful ideas. Right? So this was an overview of VBOUT. This is the introductory video. In the upcoming videos, I will open up the dashboard and I'll show you in detail how you can send emails, how you can set up a lead, how you can set up marketing automation, how you can create landing pages, how you can use the social media suite, and a lot more. So thank you.